Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, do technical analysis. I'm also going to show you MCRT. If you've been following MCRT Magic Craft, pay attention. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, do your own, be responsible for yourself. This is not financial advice, but pay attention to MCRT. We have some big announcements coming. They will be announced this week, some very important ones, which is epic. I'm going to show you how you can get MCRT as well in this video. Hit the subscribe button down there, smash up the thumbs up button down here, and turn on the bell notification. If you're skeptical of any of this, watch my videos. I've been doing this for 3.5 years. Every day, my free videos, you can learn some of the ways that I move my money, how I trade my money. It's completely for free. Watch and see what I do. My main goal is to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies, to buy them cheap, sell them at the highs, and then buy them again. I buy usually the same stocks and the same cryptos. I'm mainly buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, FXS, BNB on the crypto side of things. And on the stock side of things, I'm buying Google, Tesla, Facebook, and TSM. That's what I'm mainly buying. And I'm selling them when they're high and buying them when they're cheap. And then selling them when they're high. Like I bought Bitcoin before the bull run, sold it at 69, actually sold it at 64K, bought it again at 29K, sold it again at 69K, bought it again at 16K, sold it again at 29K last month if you followed me in Greece. And now I'm starting to buy back into cryptocurrencies. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. The market, slightly altcoins are green, but Tesla and the stock market getting very hit hard in pre-market. Intel down 1.2%, Meta down 0.6%, TSM down 1.3%, Google down 1%. Big hit in the stock market right now is taking place. Iota down 3%, BNB down 3%, FXS. This is because the Fed, one man just destroyed billions of dollars of value in the stock markets, and then another one man, so two men, destroyed $200 billion in the crypto markets. So yesterday, Jerome Powell from the Fed, he had a speech and he wiped out billions of dollars from the stock and crypto markets. The week before, Gary Gensler from the SEC attacked Binance and Coinbase, and he wiped out $200 billion from the crypto markets. If you are an American, Google, how do I contact my senator? And right away, contact them. Tell them that the Fed and the SEC attacking cryptocurrency and stocks and two men ruling the stock and crypto markets is not American. It's not capitalism. It's some weird freaking thing. And if you're American, only you can really do something about it by emailing your senators. Let's jump back into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Market quite red. Ethereum, Bitcoin down also around, everything is down around 1%. Tesla down 3% in pre-market. Everything is down 1%, except MCRT up 1.5%. The rest of the market is in the red almost, everything. SMR up a little bit, except MCRT up, which is interesting. Bitcoin, it's going on this trend line that I've been talking about, moving up from 16K. The crypto guru bot caught it perfectly, firing a blue buy down at 16K. It went up here, got rejected, came down here, flipped to a blue buy again, went up to 30K, and then flipped to a sell. I sold at 29K, and now we're coming back down, and I've been buying more. Now, we're very close to my buy order here on Bitcoin. You can see my buy order is about to trigger on this channel. You can see that channel line is here. So we're very close. I drew this yellow dotted line back on the 6th of June. The 6th of June, and now we're here on the 15th of June, and it's followed that yellow line perfectly. The target is 24,000. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 24,242, stop loss 23,805, take profit 37,000, risk to reward 29 times, risking $436 to make $13,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $130,000. With 100x leverage, it's 1.3 million. Again, where in the world can you risk $430 to make $13,000 without any leverage? That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. So again, trade opens at 24,242, stop loss 23,800, and take profit 37,243. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. Hourly, we are oversold heading up. 4 hourly, we are oversold heading down. Weekly, heading down. Daily, oversold, very oversold. And 15 minutes also oversold. So in the short term, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of there was a big buy. Look at this buy wick. But this is a bear flag, in my opinion. So I think we still go down. But that was a double bottom there. We had one bottom on lots of selling, and then a second bottom just right now. It seems to have bottomed at 24,790, which is interesting. Big wick coming down. But it didn't confirm. It's possible. Someone just bought in the last 15-minute time frame. Normally in 15 minutes, Normally, the amount of Bitcoin bought and sold on a 15 minutes is 739 Bitcoin. In that last 15 minutes, someone bought 4,600 Bitcoin. So normally it's 739 Bitcoin bought and sold. You can see on the left, volume Bitcoin 739 per 15-minute time frame. But on that 15 minutes, someone bought an extra 4,000 Bitcoin, which is interesting. Maybe they know something here. But I still think it's better to go long from that major support. But again, right here, we're also on a very strong support line on Bitcoin. Like when we zoom out onto the weekly, you can see that this area, this line where Bitcoin is at right now, 25K, is a very, very strong support. You can see here we touched 25K back here in May of 2022. We came up, hit 25K, got rejected, came down. Then we came up, hit 25K, got rejected. So that 25K now is a very strong support. But again, I'd rather open that trade on that trend line at 24,242. That's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, the links are down below. On Bybit, I've got a trade open on Ethereum. It's a 7 Ethereum trade. It's currently down a little bit, but it opened on the drop. In here, I have 262,000, almost 263,000 in here. I've got 2 Bitcoin in here. I've got Ethereum. I've got 51,000, 2 Bitcoin, $51,000, 38,000 of MCRT. MCRT up a bit today. Uniswap, I've got 15,800. Down a little bit today. FXS, I've got around 4,700, and I've got many buy orders for both Uniswap and FXS going down. MCRT, if you look at the MCRT chart for the year, MCRT during the worst bear market in history is actually up 42% on the year. So a lot of people got hit pretty hard in the bear market, but MCRT is actually up 42% this year in the last 365 days. It's almost gone up, 42% in the last year. In the last month, MCRT is up 10%. So the last year up 42%. And you can see the stats. It's a $7 million market cap, rank 852. Volume is above 1 million volume per day. And you can see the different news and information. You can see news about MCRT. And you can read 19 hours ago, the security measures that MCRT implemented against bots. You can see different stuff. You can see where to get it as well on markets. This is CoinMarketCap. You can buy it on PancakeSwap, Huobi, Bybit, Gate, BitGet, MEXC, Bitmart. Those are places that you can buy MCRT. And you can also get it on PancakeSwap through decentralization. So your MetaMask, you can go to PancakeSwap on your MetaMask. For example, you go PancakeSwap here, and you can swap USDT or Ethereum. 1,000 USDT currently gets you 374,000 MCRT. 1,000 USDT gives you 374,000 MCRT. Or you can also do like this, like Ethereum. So like does it have Ethereum? Yeah, here. One Ethereum currently gets you 611,000 MCRT. One Ethereum gets you 611,000 MCRT. Those are the places you can buy MCRT. Now let's go on to Iota. Actually, I did Ethereum in the previous video. It's about the same, and I've got a trade open on Iota. Tesla getting rejected and the Nasdaq getting rejected really hard after that SEC announcement, but I'm still quite bullish actually. I don't think that run is finished. I had a lot of questions about Iota because I closed my Iota trade. If you remember, I was building a $250,000 position on Iota, and I closed it before this big drop. If you followed my videos, I closed it around 17 cents. I lost about $2,000, but luckily I closed it because then it dropped with the whole altcoin market. If you followed my video a few days ago, I can't remember when, but I warned everyone about the drop and I got out before the drop happened. Then Iota came all the way to 13 cents, and that's where I would set up a big buy order for Iota. The buy order will trigger at 13 cents 52. I think we are going to come down there because we had a bounce and then a big drop again. It's turning down on the weekly, down on the daily. We had that. This happened because of the SEC going after Binance and Coinbase. And somehow I saw on the technicals that Iota was breaking this trend line. I was down $2,000 on my $100,000 trade. And then I said, okay, I'm jumping out of it. And I closed all my positions on altcoins and Bitcoin. And then we had that big nuke because of SEC suing Coinbase and Binance. That played out amazingly. But again, I said that usually when that nuke happens, that's the place that's actually the price at the point of the nuke. So it nuked down to 13.50. So actually, in my mind, that's where I would be going long on Iota. Again, Again, make sure you pay attention to MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers. I'm the founder of MCRT. None of this is financial advice, but there is some big news coming for MCRT, so make sure you follow the socials to pay attention. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and all the links are in the description down below. One, you can take the crypto master course, learn how I set up the charts, how I trade. If you've been losing money in the markets, if you want to learn about crypto, everyone thinks that you make money at the peak of the bull run in crypto, but really where you make money is on the bottom of the bear market where we are right now. That's where you actually make money in crypto. At the top of the bull market, that's when you collect your money. At the bottom, but it's the opposite that everyone normally thinks. Everyone else thinks that you make all your money at the top of the bull market. No, that's when you collect, that's when the smart people collect all their money. The money to be made is at the bottom of the bear market. And then you can go down below. 2, I trade on Bybit. You can get $30,000 bonus when you trade using Bybit. 3, you can join that free Telegram. There's 9,000 traders altogether trading stocks and cryptos. Learn from each other, discuss, and pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.